Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to repeat the column header in every page when we print our data in Microsoft Excel. For example, here I have a sales data. When I print this data by going to File tab, click on Print, then here you see the column header is appearing in the first page, but when I scroll the page down, the column header is invisible in other page. So here we are going to learn how to enable the column header in every page. For that, go back, then click on Page Layout tab, and here you have option that is Print Titles. Click on this, and here you have an option to set up the rows to repeat at top. So click on this box, then select the row that you want to repeat. Here I want to repeat the column header which is in the row number 4, so click on this row number 4, then click on OK. Now if you go to File tab, then click on the Print, then when you scroll down, the column header is appearing in all the pages. So this is the way of repeating the column header or the data header in every single page when we print out Microsoft Excel data. And this much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.